So we're going to go over how you can use an app called video.ai, which is a repurposing content AI app website. I mean, that when you input, here I've got a 12-minute 50 video of me talking with Philip about real estate. It will output a bunch of different social media style posts. So, for example, I've gone in here, upload a file. So I'm going to go and let's just say I'll upload this one as an example. Then you go choose what you want. So you can have these uploaded as square for Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. You can have like that reel style, which is your TikTok, Instagram, reels and shorts. And you can have the landscape as well, or you can just choose one. And then you get to choose all these different styles. So this is the one I chose last time. But you can go through and you can change all these around. So say you want this one, but you want the writing green, you can change that. But anyway, you go continue, put in your handles. So this is mine, and see it'll spit them out here. And you press done. Go to dashboard. So that'll take a little bit to process. It takes like 5 or 10 minutes. I think that's how long it took for this one. I'm on the free version because that's what you guys will be using. And you get 75 minutes each month of input. So that's the stuff you put into it. So only that's enough for a month, but you can upgrade and it's pretty cheap, 45 a month, and you get 300 minutes of upload. Like that's a fair bit. I'm going to show you what the clips are like. So here is rule of purpose. I like this one. And press play. You won't be able to hear it, but it's got volume, obviously. All of this is automatically generated in about 8 minutes. And this is free, what I'm using now, and I can just export this straight to my social media. And there's other ones, rule of new normal. Then I'll try and find one with a different style. Here we go. So it's got 2 different styles here. And that's actually quite funny because this was before the podcast. Downfall. See here, we got 2 different styles again. But yeah, so it's spat out 17 different videos. But what you can do is you can actually change the name of these and create custom clips as well. So if you go back to the start, that one's still processing. So that'll take a little bit of time. But to sign up to this, you just go to video.ai, which is the, I'll go to it now. Video.ai, this one here. And all you need to do is press start for free, and that'll sign you up. So obviously I've already got my account, so it's just automatically letting me in. But this here is a good way for you to be able to like 10 or 20x the amount of content that you're making. So say you pay someone to make your content now, you could shift their role into actually just posting it on social media, and you can just do this yourself. It takes you a couple minutes each week, and you've got all the content you need. Bit of editing, but under an hour you would have 40 videos, which is enough to last most people a month. But yeah, this is a really powerful platform, so go check it out.